Hey guys, it's me, Caitlin, and if you're wondering what I'm doing today, yes, if you can't tell by the title, I'm teaching you how to make flarp slime. So flarp slime is flarp just made of slime, and also I've already made it, and I have a second one. I've already started made that one to flarp slime, but it's halfway made. But I'm just gonna use this one because it's way more bulkier. So this is how it feels like. Okay. But so like I've been realizing it isn't as stretchy. I want to make it more stretchier. So I'm just gonna have to add all some ingredients to keep making it more and more stretchy. So if it isn't as stretchy as it is to you, you can add more ingredients. So I'm just gonna be adding all the same exact ingredients, and I'll actually add it than how I added it for the first when I started adding it too. So what you want to do is you want to first by starting off by where is it? There it is. Start off by taking your detangler spray. And also, how do you make this? I make it a certain way. So you take this much of the detangler spray left, and then you add some conditioner, shampoo, body wash, and soap. Just mix it all up. Put the cap on, mix it all up, and then you put water in, fill it up, the rest up with water. But you don't want to be too overfilled, just like to right there. You want to stop filling it up, like right there. So that's how much, like, that's where you're gonna want to fill it up to. And keep filling up your water. And I would actually suggest that after you put in the water, mix it up. So that's what's in here. This is you can get this from Walmart. Just by the way, you want to first lay it out like super duper far, like that. And you want to bring it closer to you guys. Just gonna see the whole entire thing. I went too close. I actually need to take it back. Bring it. You're supposed to even bring it wider. That's what I've been doing. But you don't want it to be like have any holes in it. Just really wide. So, and then you want to spray the top, the whole top with this stuff. Once you're at top, then rub it all out. And then you're gonna want to just mix it. This also is also a little bit of active. I've never tried, but it might be also activator. So you're also gonna want to take hand soap and and by the way, with this stuff, once it runs out, it's still gonna have detangler mixed in it, so you can still do the same exact thing. And it doesn't even have to have detangler mixed in it, because it also, if you're not using it for detangler, it doesn't have it mixed in it. But I do use it for detangler. So I'm gonna rub soap all over the top, and it is sticky a little bit. So I'm gonna keep rubbing. And also, right now, it shouldn't be the texture that mine is, but it might, because also mine is also been done. That's about enough. That was like a purse, like one little squirt, because it was half a squirt. And you want to rub it all over the top, and then take some of this stuff, rub it, put it all over the top again, and then you're going to just want to mix it all up. this will be the texture for that. It's the soap that's making it the texture. So it's actually getting way stretchier. This is also going to be a way longer video than I expected. So I don't want to hurry up. So I'm going to want to take some shampoo. Just squeeze it as much as you want it to be soft. I'm just going to add a little bit. And then you're going to want to take some conditioner and not mix it in shampoo yet. Add that. Sorry about the background. So then you're just going to want to take it, mix it in. You're gonna keep repeating all this stuff that I've done. Make it softer and softer and softer. And you might be like, Katelyn, why are you adding conditioner and soap and shampoo if this stuff already has all of it in there? Well, it also makes, that's the thing, if it makes it even more softer. So, yeah, sorry about the background again. So, now that it is mixed, I'm gonna wanna take, so if you want to have like a little bit of a matter look, you're gonna wanna add baby powder, but I'm not gonna add it. I accidentally added a little bit. If you want to have like a matte look, add some baby powder. I don't know if it works, but it might, so don't give me on that because I'm pretty sure it will work. But there. So next, you're gonna pretty much last thing I want to add is body wash, and I am using smelly body wash. It's banana scented, and you can add scents to it too if you want it to smell better. Oh, that makes it smell so good. And it doesn't smell that good, so I'm gonna add some more. It smells like actually like bananas. I'm just gonna want. And look at this. This literally looks like slime. So I'm gonna want to keep mixing it. So that is pretty much it. And some other stuff you could add is lotion. So probably I'm gonna add this after this video is over. Add. So yeah. Like I probably will add it after this. So I would add lotion too. And then I also have this stuff called bath slime. And it is Crayola bath slime. And it does, you can add it to slime. Like I have added it to slime. It was a teeny little chunk. But you can add that stuff. It makes it super smell good. And yeah, so I'm gonna end here, guys. So please give it a like, comment, and share, and please subscribe. Hit that bell button, that notification button. Make sure it goes ding, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, 5-second challenge. Subscribe button, like, comment your favorite type of slime in 10 seconds. And actually, no, it's 5, but I'm gonna give it to you to ask 10 because that's a lot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys done? I hope you guys did it. And my goal first, and also go follow me on TikTok. My TikTok username is at Katelynrosegolden. At Katelynrosegolden Anime 88. I will be, but not put the link, but I'll put my username just in the subscription, just my name. And go follow me on Roblox. Roblox name is Katelynrosegolden. And yeah, so see you guys. Yeah, and I will, if people trade me, I will trade me stuff. I will make an obby. I'm not like trading me stuff. Like if I get to 100,000 followers, I will make it on if I get to 1,000 followers on TikTok and 1,000 followers on Roblox, I will make my own game, and it will be cool. It will be an obby probably. That's what I'm hoping it will be. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please go follow my TikTok and my Roblox. And I do play Minecraft too. If you guys want me to do Minecraft and Roblox and TikTok type of videos, you have to get this too. So I have to get to, what's my big, I really want to have 1 million subscribers. I probably will never get there. I'm not how big mine is. I want 100 subscribers. So, okay, 50 or 20. I'll think about it, whichever one I get to first. I'll get to 20 first. But if I get to 50 soon, I will start doing those type of videos. And this video has to get to 100 likes to get it. So thank you guys for watching and have a nice day. Love you guys too. And peace out, YouTube. Bye.